What's up everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So before this video gets started, if you're interested in becoming an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make $100 to $200 per hour, go ahead. I'm just kidding guys. What's up, how's it going? My name is Dylan and today we are dropping some fire merch, all right? We're gonna go take some photos. I got a bunch of merch over here, so you'll see it soon. But yeah, get ready because Jesus.
There's someone over there that's hype about the merch. That's what it is.
But yeah guys, so today we're dropping some merch. So it's gonna be linked in the description to check it out. This is the first time the Rideshare Hub is dropping merch. So you wanna be the first one or the second one or the 1000th person to get the merch. Go ahead and use the link in the description. And represent the Rideshare Hub. And when you're driving for Uber and Lyft and your passenger sees you have a Rideshare Hub, I don't even have the shirt on. You'll see it.
You'll see it. Yeah, you'll see it. We'll have a.
If a passenger sees you wearing the Rideshare Hub, they're gonna leave you a big tip. So it's gonna pay off.
Before our little shoot, we're just doing a little warm up. You know. Get the. You got some drift on that. Oh no. Oh my god, dude. Sorry if it's shaky, I'm trying to follow him. Yeah, the brakes are not that good. I need to get them fixed or something. This is like a little skate park right here. Get those epic shots. Epic shots. Yeah, we're on our way to the library. Not to study though.
Nope.
To, what are we gonna do?
Photo shoot.
Oh yeah.
Photo shoot. Forgot.
Yeah, this day is super nice. Get some cool like shots even.
Guys, honestly, I'm doing this for you guys. I don't know if you could see me, but I live my life now because of you guys. You guys control my life. So whatever we do on the day-to-day basis is pretty much for you, depending on you guys. Yeah. I wouldn't go take photos of my merch if they were like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like my life is now controlled by them. So if you guys want me to do something, I'll probably do it because you guys influence me.
So if I was a fan of yours and I said you should jump off a cliff
into the ocean, then yeah.
No, not into the ocean.
Let's just say I've had some bad comments.
Some haters.
So far,
oh yeah.
That's
okay.
That's like I've had much worse.
My bad. Yeah.
I don't get triggered over that anymore.
Oh, okay, that's understandable.
Some girl named Uber girl Paula. She said if she saw me, she would run me over in her car. It's not like I'm doing anything wrong. It's like, maybe if I was like, oh. I didn't say that.
Nope. Don't have it on camera or anything.
All right, guys. So little pro tip: if you guys want to save space in your pant area, get one of these things.
Oh yeah.
On the back of your phone. I never carry a wallet with me anymore. So literally all I have are my keys and my phone. That's it.
Nice.
I don't use cash anymore either. Right here for you. It's in the bag. It's in the bag.
See you, man. Oh, he's coming back.
He knows I have something in the bag. It's right here. What's in the bag?
Oh, so cute though. All right, he's out. He knew we were just clickbait. So
Clickbait merch.
Clickbait.
Hashtag David Dobrik.
David Dobrik is like his idol.
My favorite YouTuber.
He's like, I love his life. He has a perfect life. No, I mean, yeah,
does.
it's understandable. But
today he was hanging out with freaking Charlie Puth.
Oh yeah, I actually really like Charlie Puth too.
He's so like, his voice is so good.
What's up, everybody?
Behind the scenes of the Rideshare photo shoot.
Yes, behind the scenes.
Should I do my disgusting like side? Put your hands like your pocket maybe, or just like do one and then let one hang. Stand like that.
Fire merch.
Look to the right.
Do you drive rideshare?
No. Put your hand in your pocket. Yeah. Wait, look down at her again.
How's it going over here?
Yeah. Baby. Okay. Just okay.
Just okay?
Just okay.
That is not acceptable.
I'm a pessimistic person, apparently. Amazing. Should we say hi? Pretend like you're walking. Just like one step. But like make it.
Wait, I'm like, I forgot how to walk. Wait.
And that's a wrap.
Oh yeah, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Go ahead and cop some merch, guys. You
It's
guys
really
remember?
soft. Actually, I was really impressed. Designed by super cute.
10 out of 10.
What do you have to say, Josie?
Designed by Josie. Yes.
Spotlight is on her. Zoom in like a super close zoom in.
Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Follow me on YouTube as well. Alright guys, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you all next time.